This is a roll cage. Well, you guys may notice it ain't. It's a bunch of steel for a roll cage for the Gelande. Yep, finally starting to work on the cage. Honestly, I don't feel like working on it, but I'm going to anyways. Figure I'd just be straight up with you there. If it doesn't really feel like it's going smoothly, I'll probably quit for the day, but no big deal. I've got a plan drawn up here. Pause the video if you want to take a closer look, but that is the gist. So I'm going to be mostly following that. It's based off of a vehicle that I saw online. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you guys will see when I'm done. I mean, my first step is just going to be starting to bend some of the steel and then TIG welding it all together. So, enjoy! Alright, progress update. It's coming along okay. Got the front windshield protector in place. I did kind of bodge the back corner there, so it's now a little bit cockeyed, but I will heat that up with a blowtorch or something and bend that back straight. I'm talking about that corner back there, it's a little bit low. But otherwise, it's coming along. I'm going to take a break so I don't get impatient and come back to it. Alright, I give up, guys. I'm sorry. If you guys really want to see a cage on this thing, you're going to have to let me know and be prepared to wait a while before I am ready to work on this again, because this, in its current state, nothing is straight. Everything is lopsided and crooked and pretty much just garbage at this point. Like, I know on the camera it doesn't do it justice. Everything's really terribly off. So yeah, like I said, if you really want to see a cage on this thing, let me know, post in the comments, and you'll have to wait a while because I'm not going to be ready to work on this for a while. So thank you for watching this kind of a dead-end video. I guess I could say I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys probably didn't, but whatever. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see a cage. And follow me on Instagram at highway49_RC, and I'll see you when I see you.